Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com.
First up this evening, Paula Llewellyn will resume duties as Jamaica's chief prosecutor in the coming days. This following a Court of Appeal ruling that she remains the Director of Public Prosecutions.
Now the news comes after a much publicized challenge to the constitutional amendment that increased the retirement age of the DPP and the Auditor General from 60 to 65.
The ruling means the current acting DPP, Claudette Thompson, will now vacate the post.
The Court of Appeal ruling means Paula Llewellyn will remain as the Director of Public Prosecutions until age 65. She will therefore have a further 9 months in the office until her 65th birthday on September 21, 2025.
Once the registrar issues what is called the certificate of the result of the appeal, and that finds its way to the Services Commission, I would resume. I would like to thank the acting DPP, Ms. Claudette Thompson. She has been magnificent, and of course, thank my staff for having given her great support.
Ms. Llewellyn was speaking with Emily Shields on Radio Jamaica's hotline on Friday. Reacting to today's ruling, Ms. Llewellyn said she's thankful to God for helping her through what she calls a headwind.
Especially when you are successful and you do your job and you try to do your job well, you will come upon headwinds and challenges. So I regarded this as just another headwind. It was hard to be taken suddenly when I had to make the decision to step aside. It was heartbreaking, but my faith in God carried me through.
The DPP reached 60, the previous age of retirement, in 2020, but got a 3-year extension which ended in September 2023. She then elected to remain in office for another 2 years after the retirement age was raised in July 2023 by a constitutional amendment. But in April 2024, the Constitutional Court ruled that the constitutional amendment allowing for her extended tenure was, quote, unconstitutional, null, and of no legal effect. The challenge was brought by opposition lawmakers Philip Paulwell and Peter Bunting. The Constitutional Court said the change in the Constitution in July 2023 to raise the age of retirement for the DPP and the Auditor General from 60 to 65 was valid. However, the amendment allowing Ms. Llewellyn to remain in office was not. The Court of Appeal disagreed with the Constitutional Court on this point.